Right, so today I'm planning to change my laptop's battery. It's been over 4.5 years now, and the battery is starting to degrade. So on a full charge, I'm getting only about close to 50 minutes of usage. Yeah, that's really bad. So I went ahead and got a new battery. So let's jump straight into it and get it changed. So for that, this is the battery that I just got today. Okay, so before we go ahead and fix the battery, we're first gonna need to remove the back cover here. Right, so we've got our battery here. So all we need to do now is to, and there's, want to be able to see it, but we're gonna get the screws out. One over here, and I think that's one over here as well, and one over here, and one over. So that's like 4 screws. Well, very important. The first thing we want to do is to get the connector out first, so that we do not short the circuits. Okay, now that is just need to pull it out, just like that. This is the original battery. Just a quick update that I'm actually replacing the thermal paste as well for the CPU and GPUs. You know, since it's already open, I might as well just do it. So this is a heatsink. This is, if I'm not mistaken, this is a GPU. It's a graphic processor, and this is a CPU. Are we adding new thermal paste? Just enough to cover the surface, and you want to make sure that before you pour on the new thermal paste, that you want to make sure every all the old terminal paste are actually wiped off. Just using a piece of cotton bud to wipe off the old stuff, and any of the residues I will just use a piece of paper and just start wiping it down like that until it's clean. Back everything and test it out. Right, so we've got power back. Everything seems to be working fine. Okay, so